Hey guys, TJ Griner here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today we're aboard my new listing. It's a 2016 Sea Ray Sundancer. Beautiful boat, lots of opportunity for different things here. I want to take you on a quick tour. So on the aft deck of this boat, you do have a grill and sink option. Nice for barbecuing on those weekend days out at the sandbar or sitting at the dock. You do have storage underneath both. You can do fenders, dock lines, cooking utensils, whatever fits best for you and your family. Let's make our way forward and see what else we have to offer. As you make your way forward, you'll see you have a large sitting area here, great for entertaining, all under shade. There is a sure shade option that goes out past the grill there to give you nice protection from the sun. When you board the vessel, you've got a freshwater washdown, nice bar galley area, your trash can underneath, and there is a fridge freezer combo in this area as well. Let's take a look at the helm. So at the helm area here, it is equipped with a 12-inch Raymarine GPS chart plotter. The boat does have a bow thruster, which makes it very easy to operate around the docks. This boat is equipped with a wet sound stereo system. It has 8 speakers, including 2 subwoofers on the boat. The stereo is absolutely amazing. To your port side, you do have this lounger option where you could kind of lay out as you're cruising or sit facing forward, or put a few people up here if you had a couple people that wanted to sit in this area. Let's make our way up to the bow and take a look at the sun pad up top. So nice, large sun pad area up front. This is removable, but awesome when you're sitting out at the sandbar, sitting at anchor, just want to get some sun, relax up here. These backrests do face up. Nice speakers, keep your music playing. This bow is where the party's at. As you walk down into the galley area, you'll notice a fridge freezer combo. There is a 2-burner cooktop, also a microwave with a nice large sink to do any kind of cooking or prepping. As you continue forward on the boat, you'll notice there's 2 large sitting areas with a table in between. Great for a morning breakfast or an afternoon dinner. The bed and sleeping area is plenty big for 2 adults, and there's also additional sleeping underneath the stairway aft of the boat. As you walk into the wet head area, you'll see it's a nice large space. Okay guys, so that concludes our walkthrough video on this beautiful 350 Sundancer. If you'd like some additional information or like to come down and have a private tour, give me a call. Again, my name's TJ Griner, MarineMax in St. Petersburg. My phone number is 813-323-5220. I appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you on the water.